Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Indeed account if you have forgotten to log out from your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application, and if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into the app and signed into your account. Now, once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and now from the menu page, scroll all the way down and tap on the sign out button. You will now be signed out from your account, but some of your user information might still be saved. So long press on the Indeed job search application and then tap on the info button. Now from the info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and now tap on the clear data button at the bottom left corner to clear all of the user data by tapping on delete. After you do this, you will be logged out from your Indeed account and all of your user information will also be removed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.